Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today, my topic is result is not the end, it is a new beginning. Today is a very important day for all of us because today we will receive the result of our hard work. Some students feel very happy while some may feel a little worried. But we should always remember that result is not the end of our journey. A good result makes us proud and encourages us to work even harder in the future. If the result is not as good as we expected, it teaches us an important lesson to try again with more effort and determination. Success doesn't come without hard work. Every student who studies with honesty and dedication will surely will achieve success one day. On this special day, we should also thank our teachers and parents who guide us, support us, and help us learn every day. Let us promise ourselves that we'll continue to work hard, believe in ourselves, and always try to do better in the future. Thank you.